Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday. We were talking about 21 agroecological zones in India, out of which already we have seen 5 of them. Today we will discuss 7 plains out of them. If you missed the previous videos, please click on the I button to get the link. Starting with Western Plains, which is hot arid region with desert and alkaline soil. It includes Rajasthan, southwest Haryana, Punjab, Kutch Peninsula, and north of Kathiawar. Rainfall received is 300 mm. Since low rainfall, therefore, growing period is less than 90 days, and it covers 9% of the total geographical area, that is 29.6 million hectare area. Next is Eastern Plains. It is hot subhumid region with alluvial soil. It includes northeast UP, North Bihar, foothills of eastern Himalaya with a rainfall of 1400 to 1600 mm, growing period of 180 to 210 days. Rainfall is good, therefore growing period can be long, and area covered is 9.3 million hectare, that is 2.8%. The third one is Western Ghat and Coastal Plains. It is hot humid with red laterite alluvial soil. Western means west coast of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala. Remember the India's map. With a rainfall of which rainfall exceeds 2000 millimeters, and with a huge amount of rainfall, the growing period can be also be long, that is 270 days, more than 270 days, and the area is 10.1 million hectare, that is 3%. Moving towards east coastal plains, that is hot subhumid, again alluvial derived soil. It includes Kaveri Delta to Gangetic Delta areas with a rainfall of 1200 to 1600 millimeters and a growing period of 150 to 210 days. And the geographical area it covers is 8.1 million hectare, that is 2.5%. Now coming up to the northern plains. Northern plains are hot subhumid with again alluvial soil. It includes the areas like Indo-Gangetic Plains, including the West Himalaya, with a rainfall of 1000 to 1200 millimeters and growing period of 150 to 180 days. And the area covered is 12.2 million hectare, that is 3.7%. Coming to North Plain and Central Highlands, which is hot, semi-arid region, alluvial derived soil. It includes North Plains, Central Highlands and Gujarat Plains with a rainfall of 400 to 800 millimeters. Now just imagine with low rainfall, the growing period will be also less, that is 90 to 150 days, with an area of 32.9 million hectare, that is 10%. And the last one is Assam and Bengal Plains, that is hot humid, alluvial soil, and it includes the areas of Brahmaputra and Ganga rivers, and of course the name says parts of Assam and West Bengal. The rainfall it receives is about 1400 to 1600 millimeters in Ganga to 1600 to 2000 millimeters in Brahmaputra areas. And with high rainfall, what comes, my friends? With high rainfall brings long growing period, that is more than 270 days, and the area it covers is 11.7 million hectare, that is 3.6%. In short, Western Ghats and coastal plains also receives about, it exceeds actually 2000 millimeters, and the growing period is more than 270, and also the Assam and Bengal plains the same. So keep it in your mind that if the rainfall is more, the growing period will be more, and if it is less, then the growing period will also be less. And in plains you may see that majority of areas have hot, humid, subhumid or only hot, and the soils of the majority areas are alluvial soil except Western Plains. Western Plains has alkaline soil. So other than Western Plain, in all other plains you can write alluvial soil. These were small tips. I hope you liked my video. Please share it and subscribe the channel. I'll again come up on Friday with Facts Friday, something interesting. Till that, take care. Bye bye.